Okay. Well, I went printed out the sheet. This is for parts list and stuff, so just so that I make sure I have all the parts. Okay, so I went and found out what all these extra pieces are here for. This piece here, and I know I got these backwards and stuff, but let's do this properly. So technically these are going to go this way so that your C channel's on the outside. Okay, and then just put this here for a second. Okay, and then I know this isn't going to be right, but there's going to be these pieces and these pieces. They kind of fit on one on top of the other like this. Something like that. Or actually it's down here like this. Or sorry, like this. So that's underneath to give it support. And that's on top. And then these pieces, once that's lifted, will be on like there. And then these will be flush, and that's where your support will be. Okay, so that's these two and these two. And then the last one here, once this gantry here is on, this goes back here as extra support as well. Okay, so I know the one instruction booklet they gave me is a different brand from the guys. See, this one only has a single bar across here from O's Nest. This is from Bulkman 3D. I bought it off of eBay, and it has the double. So this is the instructions he sent me, and I know it's open source and stuff, but it would be nice if he would build one for his. I think it's just the more up-to-date ones. But anyway, so that's the extrusions. So now what I want to do is go through the box of stuff, because that's what's really important to me here, is making sure that all this is there. Wow, that's heavy box. Okay. And yeah, I did kind of go through it, but I never really itemized stuff, so I just want to make sure that all the pieces are majority. Like I'm really concerned mostly about the screws and stuff, so that's what I'm going to go through here. So I know those are the 4-stepper motors. So I'm going to go get the list out, and then I should find my glasses so that I can actually read what I'm doing. Okay, so off the extrusions, I'm going to do those first because I already went through them. Okay, we have 3 C channel or 4 C channel. We have 1 250 beam, 1 500 beam, and 2 750 beams. Okay, so those are there. Yeah. Okay. So that's the 4. Now I didn't measure these. I was watching a video online, and the guy was actually trimming, like I'm talking a millimeter off. So I don't think I'm going to worry about that. See, yeah, that's 250. Like I don't know what that guy was doing, but and that's 750 right on the money. And those ones are there. So anyway, yeah. So those are the C channel. And then I have C channel. These are C channels. And that's the C channel. Okay. Okay, oh, sorry about the noise here. Now these are 20 by 80s. So I got 2 20 by 80s at 710. So I believe that's about the right distance. Yep, 71. Okay, then we have The V slots, we have 2 at 415. That's those two. And we have 2 at 500. Well, these are a little bit bigger. Okay. They say 2 at 495 and I got 500. So, oh, maybe I was out. Yeah, pretty close. Probably 496. But, and then this is, so I got actually all 3 of these are the same length. One is slightly longer. Okay. One's supposed to be 5 millimeters longer. So this should be 500. Yeah, and then these are 495-ish. Yeah, pretty close. Might be out a half a millimeter. So I'm not going to stress about that. As long as they're both the same, they should be okay. Okay, so I got all my extrusions right here. Okay, I know that those are last, the steppers. Okay, so now we're going to go into the plates. Okay. We have a Y plate left and right, which I'm assuming that's what these are. And then we have, see, yeah, these don't really label what these are. T3 40 by 20 end plates. These are, I'm pretty sure these are Z plates. See, these are slightly different as well. So let's try to figure out what this stuff all is here. Because I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 end plates. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So I'm missing one here. Somewhere along the line. I'm missing one. Oh, I could miss this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. What did I say? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. And the 4 end caps. The end caps must be in here. Or these might be the 4 end caps here. Yeah. Okay, so the 4 end caps are here. Okay, I'm assuming this is the Z plate. Okay, because the motor, Z motor will go in there. 125 by 125. Okay, is that what the length of that is? 125 by 125, but so are these. I have 2 of these. Because these, yeah, T6. How thick is this? So this is, yeah, that's 6 as well. Okay, so assuming that's a Z plate, and then these are the Z mounts for the top and bottom. This will hold the motor on the top and whatever. So I'm assuming that's what this is for. Okay. Now these, for me, I'd call them X, but these are actually going to be the Y plates, I'm sure, because yeah, Y plates left and right, 253 by 94. 253 by 180. And then, yeah, so that's those 2 plates. Okay. So let's put those back in there. And I got those marked off. I'm assuming I'm right on that one, even though the one measurement's out a little bit. Then we have two Y inner plates, 180 by 134. 130 something by 180. So these are the inner plates. Two Y inner plates. And then we have two end plates right, 104 by 120. 125 by 120, 123 by 123. So that would be not sure where those would be. 125 by 125. So 125 by 125. I have two of these, and there's only supposed to be one of those. Because one's supposed to be 125 by 197. Oh, okay. One of these is a Z plate, and the other one is, this one here is 196. 197. Yeah, so that's that plate here, and that 125 by 125 there. Oops. Okay, and then we got two Y end plates left and two Y end plates right. These are, and I got to be able to figure out which is which. Too bad these weren't marked a little bit better. I mean, these are identical. And these are identical, but they're technically they're all exactly the same. So I don't know why they didn't. Oh no, they're a little different. These have a little piece on there. Little chamfer cutout right here. So I don't know how we're going to find out which one it is, but hopefully the instructions will be clear enough that it'll actually show that. Okay, and then these are your top plates. Okay, so that's done. So I got all those. Okay, so now we're gonna, this is where it's gonna become the biggest pain, because oops, these I should throw there because those the problem is getting all those ones correct. So when you get a chair, have a seat in, make just to make this a little easier in the bag, going through the bag. Okay, so here is a big bag of stuff. These are all the screws and stuff. So, okay, well, that's one thing I never did check, is how well none of these are tapped. These were supposed to be tapped. Oh well, that's not going to be good. Those are tapped. So maybe these ones, they come in with corner brackets instead. So I hope so. Okay, so these are at least labeled, which is kind of nice. I should be able to go through the labeling process. So, okay, motion components. That's not there yet. So, do we have anything in here? On the next page, oops, drop-in T-nuts is the only thing in there. Okay, so going through all these, we got low profile screws, I think 80 millimeter, 21 of them, 60 millimeter. Okay, so those. Okay. Then we got 30 millimeter times 6. 30 millimeters times 6. 25 millimeter times 14. 20 by 8. Yep. 15 by 40. 1540. Yep. Ooh, 8 millimeter at 68. 12 at 24. And 50 at 16. And I got these little corner brackets that really didn't show up there yet. So obviously there's a lot more in here. Here's an empty bag in here. That's not good sign. So not happy about that. So oh, there's a screw came out of there, so maybe that fell out of the bag, hopefully. But here's an empty bag. There's supposed to be 8 bearings in here. And there's nothing. So, unless this was in there. That's closed. So I don't know if those bearings belong there or not. So that's not very positive there. So that's still not on there yet. Okay, so let's start going through. I got a whole bunch of T-nuts the bag has opened. So that's not good. They're all over the place. So, and I don't know if these are not the drop-in ones. So this is 80 T-nuts. So where's the okay, so 40. Is it on this? No. So I don't even know where these T-nuts should be because they're not even on here on the parts list. So they're just going to put that off to the side and kind of go through this. So here, what have we got here? Backlash nut. Well, that doesn't look like much of a backlash nut, but anyway. And we have Acme nut block 6 anti-backlash nut right there. Okay, so I'm going to put things back in here as we go. We got precision shims, 110 precision shims. Well, according to my paper, I need 14 shims. And they gave me 110. So I'm not sure where that is. Here's aluminum spacers, 3 millimeter aluminum spacers. I have 14. Okay, aluminum spacers 14. Okay, let's put that in there. I should count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Okay. I gotta work with these bearings. I got 625 bearings. 96, so I don't know how many are in each pack. Yeah, see, this is really weird how so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this is a half empty one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's got to be 10 per pack here. It must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 96 625 bearings. Which really isn't even on the list, by the way, but okay. Okay, there should be these 688. There should be 2, 4, 6, 8. So this must have fell out of here, or the bag was empty and they threw them in separate. So this does go in here. Okay, so those are there. But these 96 bearings are not in there. Oh, M5 T-nuts. Where did those go? Right here. Because these T-nuts on the 80 T-nuts. Okay, and then here's the drop-in T-nuts, which are 25 of them, and that's over on this page. And the stepper motor are on that. Okay, now, oh, here's all the brackets. I got 8 triple brackets. Okay. Flexible couplers. I didn't know. Here's the 4 flexible couplers. Okay. Where did I just see that? Flexible couplers. Okay. These are my Acme nut blocks. Okay, so there's 6 of them. Now the one thing I am kind of curious about this, I don't, so there's actually no brass in here. This is going to be threaded right in there. I don't know if I like that. Problem with these is to replace them. Yeah, that's pretty smooth, but I guess time will tell. You know, they will wear out over time, so hopefully not too quick. Hopefully I can buy replacements for those. Okay. Now let's go through this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Acme screws and the wheels. Now it says that there's 49 in here, and this says 48. And it says I'm supposed to get 49. So do I need to go and count them? I'm curious. If I go through this in a short one, I'm going to be pretty upset. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 2, 4, 12.